What's up guys, my name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. I am super excited about today's video because it's going to be a little teaser into the 2020 detail clinic that we just came back from. So Chicago Auto Pros hosted the first of their detail clinics. Now it was 3 days total and 10 to 12 hours each day. It was loaded. It was packed jammed with information, everything from interior and exterior, detailing the basics to advanced paint correction and ceramic coatings, as well as social media marketing, all of that stuff, all wrapped into 3 days. It almost wasn't enough time. Now, all 23 to 24 students have their certification of completion with this course. They're feeling confident, they're feeling really good about getting back into their detailing field and crushing it. I'm gonna give you some highlights. We actually got there a little bit early. We met up with Jason Otterness from the Chicago Auto Pros, as well as Alan from AM Detail. So we had a little bit of fun filming. You're gonna see some behind the scenes action that will come with their channels. So I'll have the links down below to AM Details and Chicago Auto Pros. If you are not already subscribed, then definitely do that. And guys, if you are enjoying our content, then subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. Let's get started.
Hi, Rob!
All right, guys, we are here in the shop. It is super noisy, but we're gearing up for the detail clinic coming up in the next day or two. So I came here to meet Jason and Alan and a bunch of the guys here. Even learned how to put some PPF film on a headlight on a beautiful Audi. Just gonna take a quick look around as they're cleaning up for today. So we got a chance to tour around the shop, talk to some of the guys that work here, and the work they produce here is amazing. The detailing itself is top-notch, but they also specialize in installing PPF film. Not just any PPF film, but Lumar. This stuff is top-notch. And of course, they offer a full range of ceramic coatings. So I also had a chance to learn how to apply this PPF film. It was just onto a headlight, but still, I wanted to learn how to do this. So E-Man here is actually showing me how to install headlight PPF film. Now we're working with Lumar and it's pre-cut, so at least that was the easy part. There was no cutting involved.
Hi, babe. Are you excited?
Very excited and nervous. And
So spray this.
so spray more with water?
Yeah.
Warm water.
You can't really screw it up, right?
No, because then you'll just do it. But I did need to learn how to apply it correctly, line everything up, and squeegee out all of the water so that there are no dust nibs or bubbles in the film. It was my first time ever applying PPF film, but I think I did a pretty good job.
What? My replacement?
We don't want to live here in Chicago, sorry.
No? Yeah, sorry.
It's too cold.
That ain't hard.
Okay, I can get used to it.
You're a pro. Got Water Pro PPF 2020 clinic.
All right.
1995.
Where's my certificate? See, right there.
Mine's there's a bubble.
Yep, and that right there.
Uh-oh.
Yep, that's it. Well, I guess I still have some work to do. But hanging out with E-Man here as he was working on his own vehicle, the detail and precision that he puts into the work is incredible. This Lumar paint film is top-notch. It comes with a 10-year guarantee and it is self-healing. So if there are any light scratches and swirls, it can be taken out with heat alone. Just set it out in the sun and your paint will look perfect again. Alpha, just a little Alpha. Car supplies, warehouse. I'm just going to show you a little bit of what they have going on here. Here's all the goodies. AM Detail stuff, McGuire's, Car Pro, G-Technic, all the good stuff. But here's where all your shipments come from. And we'll be here for the next 4 days. Training at the detail clinic.
It's so messy right now.
Oh, it is. We're going to clean it up. All right, guys, it's Sunday, and class starts tomorrow. Everything is cleaned up here. It's looking really, really nice. Check out all of the stuff that they have here all set up. So here's going to be the little classroom setting. We got the TV, the whiteboard. We're going to be instructing here tomorrow a ton of interior detailing stuff. So like 3 courses back to back. Monday is going to be berserk with interior detailing courses. So Luke Wilson and my wife and I are going to be instructing that. We're going to be playing around with all the different products. This is more for exterior, but we're going to have other interior product stuff here, all the brushes, all the chemicals, all over there, the vacuums, the steamers, the extractors, the works. All sorts of cool stuff happening here. We have Jason over there, and we got Alan from AM Details here as well. They're going to be shooting some content, so maybe I'll just go over there and video bomb what they're doing. Whoa. Now we had a blast watching Jason and Alan work together. They're making a video. Hopefully I didn't get too much in their way. But this will be posted on Chicago Auto Pros very soon. Now Alan already came out with his mini shop tour, so I'll have the links down below, so check out those videos. Watching these guys at work really teaches you how to be efficient when it comes to your work. Good quality products are key, but efficiency is also very important here. Now, as I was filming some of that, my wife was helping prepare for the next day. We're getting the interior all set. All sorts of awesome chemicals we're working with. Meguiar's, we have Dr. Beasley's, we have G-Technic, we have P&S. What else do we have? Lithium. We have tons of brushes here for work stuff, so the work stuff brushes, tons of towels. We have our extractor. We have all of our air tools and everything right there. We have the Tornador under here as well. We're pretty much all stocked up and ready to go for tomorrow. It was great having everything at our fingertips. Some of the best products and tools and equipment were here ready to go. The students are going to have a blast. If you're interested in any of these tools or products, check out the links down below and you can go to Car Supply's warehouse and pick up all of that stuff. Yeah, so how was that, guys? That was just a little teaser. We had a blast over there. So hopefully this is going to be one of many detail clinics. The first one was a blast. We learned a lot, so they will be fine-tuned along the way, and hopefully the second one will be even more better, even more epic. It will be amazing, guys. Look out for that. Stay tuned on our channel as well as the Chicago Auto Pros channel to find out when the next detail clinic is going to happen. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Look forward to more. There are tons more footage coming your way. Subscribe, click that bell. That way you get notifications each time these videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And check out all the links down below. Go to Car Supply's warehouse. Their store is jam-packed full of supplies, tools, everything you need to run your detailing business, as well as tinting equipment and a bunch of other stuff. So guys, thank you for watching the video. We'll see you next time. Take care.